everybody, it's Renee. Today we're going to talk about James chapter 3 verse 4. It says, "Look at the ships also. Though they are so large and are driven by strong winds, they are guided by a very small rudder wherever the will of the pilot directs." James continues his comparison of the tongue to a ship's rudder to illustrate its incredible power. Ships were essential for trade and travel, and even though the rudder is small, it controls the entire ship. The Greek word that James uses here means controlled and suggests that we need to actively take charge of what we say and do. This means we should be careful and thoughtful in our communication because our words can lead us in positive or negative directions. James uses the word that means wonder to express how amazed we can be by the power of the tongue. Similar to verse 3, he reminds us that something so small can have a huge impact. Our words can inspire and connect people, but they can also create conflict. This duality shows us that we have a responsibility to choose our words wisely. James also talks about the lack of self-control to emphasize how harmful words can be. Speaking well is an important skill, and he warns us that careless or aggressive speech can cause damage. This relates to the idea of practical wisdom, which encourages us to think carefully before we speak. So what are some strategies that you can use to ensure that your speech is intentional and positive? How can you practice being more mindful of your words in stressful or emotional situations? Think about this today. See you later.